10th class student, exercise 12.2, areas related to circles. Question number 7. Question number 7 is a circle O is center, subtended angle by 2 radius AB, OA is equal to OB, radius of circle, and radius of circle is 12 semi. Subtended angle is 120 degree. Find the area of minor segment. We find the area of minor segment is by dotted. Radius of circle is equal to 12 semi. Then theta subtended angle is 120 degree. Area of sector AOB is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. That is formula. Theta value is 120 upon 360. Pi value is 3.14. 3.14. R value is 12. 1 जा and 3 जा, तो 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into 12 into 12 multiply by divide by 4, 3 by 12, 4, 12 4 जा 48, multiply is 150.72 semi square is area of the sector. In triangle AOB, draw the perpendicular angle is 120 bisect 60 and 60. Then angle A is equal to OAB is equal to 30 degree. We find the AB base and height OD. Triangle we find the area of triangle AOB. in right triangle ADO, AD upon OA base upon hypotenuse cos 30. Angle will be 30 is base angle. AD upon OA value is radius is 12 under cos 30 value under root 3 upon 2. AD is equal to 12 under root 3 upon 2. 2 divided by 12 is 6. AD value is 6 under root 3. Semi. When AD is equal to 6.3, then AB is equal to 2 into 6 under root 3 is equal to 6 to the 12 under root 3. Semi is base of triangle AOB. OD upon, now find the height of the triangle AOB. OD upon OA is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin 30. OD is equal to upon 12 is equal to sin 30 value is 2. OD is equal to 12 upon 2 divided by 2 by 6. Then OD is equal to 6 semi. Area of triangle AOB is equal to 1 by 2 AB base and height OD. 1 by 2 base is, we find the 12.12 under root 3. OD is equal to 6. 2 3 is 6. 36 under root 3. After under root 3 value is 1.73. After multiply 62.28 semi square area of triangle AOB. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Area of sector is 150.72 minus area of triangle 62.8 semi square. After minus 44.8, then 8 semi square is area of to 40 Question number 7 is complete. Question number 8. Question number 8 is a horse tied a peg at one of the corner of the square. That is figure. Square is a horse tie the corner of square. Side is 15. Each angle of square is 90 and rope 5 meter. 5 meter will be radius of quarter. Question number 8. Question number 8 is long rope radius is equal to 5 meter. Theta is equal to 90 degree each angle of square. Then area of sector or quadrant. Sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta value is 90 degree upon 360. Pi value is 3.14 into r is equal to 5 meter. 1 upon 4 into 3.14 into 5 square is 25. After multiply upon 4 and 78.50 divide by 4 19.625 meter square is area of grazing part by a horse. First part is complete. Second part is rope increase by instead of 5 to 10. Then r is equal to 10 meter. Theta as 90 degree. Area of sector this time 90 upon 360 into pi value is 3.14 into r value is 10. 1/4 into 3.14 into 10 square is 100. After multiply 314 divide by 4314 is equal to 78 point 5. Semi square is increase area grazing area is equal to 78.50 minus 19.625 after minus 75 8.58 meter square is area increased by grazing area. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. Given the figure of book, that is figure made by what? 5 diameter. Question number 9 is diameter of circle is equal to 35 mm. Then r is equal to 35/2 mm. First part is circle divided by 5 diameter. 10 equal sector. Equal 10 part is as the first part is total length of the silver are required. Total length wire used. Circumference of circle, perimeter of circle, plus 5 into diameter is used for wire. Parameter is 2 pi r plus 5 into d. 2 into 22 upon 7. R value is 35 upon 2. 5 into diameter is 35. 7 divided by 35 is 5. 2 divided by 2. 22 5 ja 110 plus 175. After plus 285 semi mm. Use the wire to make the as shown the figure. Area of sector. To find the area, we find the theta. Angle of each 360 upon 10. 10 part equal part. Angle is 360 degree. Area of sector. Area of each sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta is equal to 60, 360, 36 pi into 22 upon 7. R is equal to 35 upon 2. Then area of sector is equal to 1 ja 10 ja 1 upon 10 into 22 upon 7 into 35 upon 2 into 35 upon 2. 7 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10. 2 divided by 11. 2 2 ja 4. 11 5 ja 55. 33 or 5 38. Semi square is area of after divide 96.25. 96.25 mm square is area of each sector. Question number 9 is complete. Thank you.